What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Ben Grimm from the Fantastic Four. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to start over on the left side, add a curve coming down the middle, and then up towards the right. And I just want to bend this down towards the side of the head, going out and then down. Let's round out the side of the brow, coming out and back in towards the top. Now I just want to trace this back along the top. Just following those same curves going up, come across the middle, up towards the right, and then I'm just going to bend that down. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow, starting on the left, curve down, then up, and we'll line that up on the right side. Now over on the left side of each eye, I'm going to add a half circle for highlight. And it'll fill the right side of the eyes in black. Now I want to draw the nose in between the eyes. So from the inside of the left eye, curve this around and then back in towards the bottom. Round out the nose and pull that back up. Underneath the nose, let's add a curve for the mouth. We're going to come down, then up, bend this around, and then down towards the corners of the mouth. Now let's close out the bottom with a curve going up, and then back down. Let's add a line coming down the side, and it'll fill the corners of the mouth in black. From the bottom corners of the brow, let's curve the head, coming around and then in towards the chin. Round up the chin, and pull it back up. Let's draw the top of the head, starting on the left side of the brow. We're going to curve this up, go across, and then down. Now we're going to go back and add some cracks across the brow, starting in the center. Start with a straight line going up. Now I'm going to add those cracks going out towards the left. So starting on top of the eye, I'm going to angle this up towards the top, around the side. Now let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's add a line coming down from the nose. It's going to add a few angles coming down towards the chin. Now underneath the mouth, angles going out from the corner of the mouth. Now from the side of the nose, go around the eye and then down towards the mouth. Just add a couple more cracks. In. And then we'll add some more cracks across the top of the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start all the way over on the left side, just underneath the head, then the body going out and then down towards the hip, and then line it up on the right side. Let's close off the hip with a curve for the belt, step up and draw that again. Let's add a buckle in the center with two lines. Move over towards the side, draw two lines side by side for the belt loops. Now we're going to go to the center of the body and add a circle. Now we're going to draw the number 4 in the center of the body. Start with a straight line coming down the middle. From the top, angle down toward the left, and go straight across towards the right. Now from the buckle, we want to step down and add a curve. We're going to go up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to draw the inside of the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left side, curve the foot, coming down and up. Now round out the top of the foot, we're going to go up, go across, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. You want to leave a gap along the inside. Now going back up to the hips, draw the outside leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. We want to take this curve, step up, and trace that across. Now in the middle of the leg, let's add a curve for the boot. We're going to come down and then up on the inside. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms, starting halfway between the chin and the bottom of the belt. Bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 large fingers on either side clenched into a fist. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, coming down, go up around that bracket, move over towards the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to bend this up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting with that first finger. Now I want to separate the cuff with a curve from the thumb going up and then out on both sides. Step up and draw that again. Now we're going to add that thick stripe going across the top of the body and down the arms. So let's start on the left side, follow the curve of the head, coming down and then up. Bend this out and then down. Curve that out towards the outside of the arm. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Ben Grimm from the Fantastic Four. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll try and draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.